Matthew Jones Farms, Cochran, Georgia, steers, 52-1. Be one load of steers off the top end. Top 70 are weighing around 675 now. Been gaining around 1.8 pounds per day. Cattle are on pasture and millet and a little supplemental feed. Matthew Jones Farm, Cochran, Georgia. Jack Jones. Been selling in the safe sale for several years now. And have always participated in the Georgia Beef Challenge steer program. We're getting data back on feeding these calves. Matthew Jones, Cochran, Georgia. Jack Jones, son. Jack sees about the breeding and preconditioning of these calves. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus bulls. They'll be sons of Sitz Traveler 8180, Sitz Wisdom, sons of Future Direction, Nichols H6, and New Design 458N. Cattle are real docile. They just in light, medium flesh. Matthew Jones Farm steers, 52-1. It's around 100 head. We'll load the top 70. Right now the top 70 are weighing around 675. Again, a really nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. There's only about 6 grays. The rest are black or black white face. (52-1). Again, the calves are sired by Angus bulls out of commercial cows. Mr. Matthew and Jack participated in the herd development sale of heifers in Tifton. These calves are sired by Sitz Traveler 80, sons of Sitz Traveler 8180, Sitz Wisdom, sons of Future Direction, Nichols H6, and New Design 458N.
Get out.
Steers will have around 52, 55 days before delivery. The base will be somewhere around 740, 750. Matthew Jones Farms, Cochran, Georgia. Matthew Jones and his son Jack Jones. Matthew Jones Farm, 52-1, one load. Really a nice set of #1 muscle Angus sired steers. The right kind of cattle that the safe producers are producing down here in South Georgia. Cattle will be sorted according to weights. Got plenty of cattle to choose. Matthew Jones, Cochran, Georgia, 52-1, one load of steers. It'll be around 7:40 or 50 at delivery, 1st of September. Have 52, 55 days. Jack's calling them now to move them up to the millet. Really a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame Angus sire steers. Matthew Jones Farms, 52-1, Cochran, Georgia.